Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is William Jiaming, and today I'm going to do a little bit experiment and just try things out about this VRM model. I use this VRM model for my head, okay, and my face and my glasses and my hair, and I got in reality I don't have this hair color. I just want to be crazy once in a while, at least virtually, okay. So what I'm going to do is to add this VRM model, and VRM, if you don't know, stands for Virtual Reality Modeling. So basically, it's a file format, and we use that for our virtual reality application. But I experiment a little bit, and I use that for this sort of like a mixed reality. Okay, so this is real. This is real. The face underneath this is real. But this is the virtual reality, so I kind of combine these three together. Basically, yeah, I just want to try things out and adding more, as you guys already know if you watch my previous video. I really want to add a personal touch to all of my projects. Okay, so I think the eyes a little bit wonky. Is that? Let me adjust that a bit. Sorry about that. Let me adjust that. Okay, much better. I think previously the eye is a little bit wonky. It's maybe it's not calibrated, so the eye would just, the pupil would just go to left, and I'm not actually looking this way. I think I look this way. This is where the screen is. So, yeah, and so in love about VRM, and this is just a VRM model. But I don't know how to add a VRM model. So previously I use something like the VRM Studio. I don't know whether my pronunciation is right or wrong. Okay, just add that and export that. But basically, it's just kind of format. Right? This is just my Android project, so I do a lot of developments and iOS project. Let me just close this. But I also know how to sculpting and modeling in Blender. I know a little bit about that, so I think, hey, why not use the power of Blender to actually edit this? Okay, so add a little bit personal touch to it. So after a little bit of research, I find out that there is an add-on at Blender. That's the amazing thing about Blender, is that it's open source and you can write the add-on to it, and basically just a Python code. I found this one. I think this original is at the GitHub page, but right now you can go to its official website to download this, and this is recommended to download when I check the GitHub. But hey, I don't know anything about that. Just download this file. What I'm talking about. Okay, just to download this. It's just a VRM add-on. If you download that, already download that. It's a zip file. And once you download that, you can use Blender to open this. So let's open a Blender. I use the Blender, the latest version is 4.0, something like that. So I'm going to test this out. I think I'm going to delete everything. Okay, just the X, delete everything. And let's import this add-on. And yeah, once you click install and click that zip file, you will be able to see something like this, like import and export VRM format. This is very convenient. As long as you can import that VRM file into Blender file, you can do whatever you want, right? And after you have finished editing, you can export it to VRM. So yeah, by the way, do you just make a copy of your original VRM file. You don't want to lose this, because sometimes you might break things. Okay, you might change something that you don't want. So always keep different version of your character. And so for example, it's Halloween, so you may add some costume, and then say this is not Halloween, and you don't want to wear a costume all day, right? And yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. And so I'm going to switch it on. Okay, so you can actually import that. Okay, so yeah, I think it's already import that. So once you can do that, you can just open. I think I can open like import. Sorry, import. You can see we got this VRM .vrm. So that means that you can import your VRM, the character into this Blender project, and I'm going to do exactly that and try these things out. Okay. Okay. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 version, and I'm going to use the latest version. Okay, and it's probably just like a duplicate that in case you break it. But right now, let me just import this. And do be aware that if you see something like this, it's not stuck. It's really, really slow. Sometimes you might have to wait, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes for it to import, depending on your computer. Okay, so just don't click anything else. It might break your file. Okay, right now it's still like it's stuck. So unless you not see this like a loading icon, it's better to just wait. Okay, once you import that, and you can see we got a Blender file, and okay, this is me. Okay, we got two. We got 2 person. Okay, this is a real one. This is one that I'm going to change. Okay, so I got a clothes that like my original design, but obviously there's no WJM logo on it, so that's what I'm going to do. And the hair, I think the hair is not moving. I don't know why the hair is moving. It's maybe because it got no bone in it, maybe. Okay, maybe because this software does not support, because it's kind of live streaming, so if you got the bones, it might get things weird. I'm not sure whether it is because of this. Can I move this bone a little bit? Okay, I'm going to edit this. Obviously, maybe paint just a quick little paint on it. Maybe things going to work. Okay, so we got a lot of collider, and we got armature, we got body as well as face. Okay, and I think as well as a hair. Okay, I think that the hair part is the thing that I want to change, and maybe let's add a cube. So just test things out. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure how to edit this. Maybe let's just first grab it. Okay, I can grab this. If I can grab, I can go to the edit mode, and I can like edit more things. Can I just hide everything else, like alternative hide? Yeah, we can do that. We can do edge, maybe alternative hide. If I hide that, no, maybe not edit mode, like alt, I alternative hide everything else. We definitely can, but I just don't know. Yeah, I think I just hide the whole program. Yeah, really sorry about that. I think I need to open Blender somehow. Okay. Oh, let me just do that manually, maybe. Because right now, by the way, I don't know nothing about this. So armature. Okay, armature. This is like the head armature. And can I just hide the whole collection here? Okay, so armature, maybe hide this armature. Okay, so I just single out the here manually. Okay, I just single out here manually, and let's just edit that a little bit. Okay, so maybe the here. I'm thinking about like grab this. Okay, can I grab a single part? Why can't I just grab a single part? It's a little bit weird. Okay, I can actually do that. So maybe here. I'm thinking about maybe down a little bit. So can I do this part? Why, when I click this, it will just move? And by the way, can I do the sculpting? Can't do the sculpting because recently I learned to sculpt, so maybe I can do that as well. So Let's choose more polygon, make it a little bit transparent, choose more polygon. Can I do that and move it down a bit? Okay, it seems that I can. Okay, so I can gradually change it. Okay, at least that's doable. Okay, I didn't want this messy here to go too much, so maybe just to rotate this and grab it down a little bit. I don't want this too messy. So maybe something like this. Okay, and I think I can even get a new texture for the head. The center one is a little bit annoying right now, so I'm thinking about maybe choose part of it and rotate this to the left. Okay? Okay, let me just add this. Let me just play around with this one. Okay, so. Okay, I think I might break the model. Maybe just one at a time. Okay, got multiple things, so it's really messy, I think. Can I do this and rotate this? Okay, we got multiple points. Okay, then just move inside a little bit. Okay, that's weird. I can't move inside. That's a little bit weird. Maybe here, can I move this way? I can't move. That's so weird. You should be able to move like point of view move. Okay, so clearly there is something going on that I'm not sure what is going on. Okay, let's try sculpt mode. Maybe I can sculpt this thing. Okay, so I can choose the hair and let's enter the sculpt mode. I can grab the brush. Let's grab this. This is my pen, by the way. Okay, so can I grab this? Okay, I can grab. That's so good. That's so good. As long as I can grab, I can move this messy here like to the left. Can I remesh this thing? Okay, so let's remesh this. Can I remesh this? Okay, if I remesh, it's gone. What's been happening? Okay, so I can't just do that thing. Let's quit editing the messy hair parts and use sculpting. Okay, and I think the grab brush might work. Let's just grab all this messy part down a bit. Okay, I think it's not so high poly as I expected. So you can't do this fine tuning thing. Okay. This here maybe just make it bigger. Make the brush strength a little bit bigger. Something like that. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. So that's much better. I'm going to like move this part of the hair away a little bit. It's too messy. Like I'm combing my hair. Okay, so maybe something like this. Okay, and the left and right, I don't want this too. It's just too messy. Okay, can I do something like this? Okay, and let's not hide everything. Okay, that's much better. And I'm going to make this up a bit. I don't want this to be maybe a little bit to the left. Okay, can I hide it here? Good. Okay, that's more like the real me. Because I don't want so many of the hair that cover the forehead. Something like that. Can I make it to here? Yeah, good. Okay, that's more like it. That's more like it. And this part of here is a little bit annoying. I don't know whether I should like smooth this or extend this. Okay, I can. Oh right, I can do something like this. That's so much better. I thought of no. What should I do? Can I use the like this brush? Okay, I can even make new polygon. Okay, okay. I think I might break the model somehow, but maybe snake or something like that. Can you use the snake and bring new polygon out? Okay, that's definitely too messy right now, but I just want to play around. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's too much of the editing. I just want a little bit changes. Okay, I want to break this whole character. Maybe make it something like this. Okay, and grab brush, make it really subtle grab. Okay, maybe make it down a bit, make the whole thing down a bit. Okay, okay, that's more like it. That's more like it. Okay, still really messy at the background. Let me just pull this out, shrink this, pull this in. Okay, so all right, and can I paint on it? So maybe add a head. Maybe add a head. Can I add a head? So can I in the sculpt mode, in the edit mode, can I add more things to it? Yeah, I can. I can actually. So I'm thinking about maybe a plane. Can I add a plane? Where's the plane anyway? Okay, here's the plane. And obviously we can't add it cube. Okay, I think I got texture that on this cube. Okay, never mind. Can I do the texture paint? Okay, so maybe paint a little bit on the face. Can I do that? Okay, let me test it out. Okay, so we got texture paint. I just select the face. Post armature. Let's just select the face. Okay, and can I in sculpt mode? I think I also got brush, something like that. So I got this paint. Can I paint on the face? I think current right now is like black. Can I paint here? Okay, I definitely can, but in render mode will not show. Okay. What about let's think about the quick way. What about texture paint? Texture paint armature pose face, and can I focus on the face? Okay, can I focus on the face and paint on the face? I don't want it. Maybe add a black color, something like that. Can I paint on it? That's weird. I can't do that. But I think at the left side, I do actually paint on the face. So it's a little bit weird. I might do a little bit of research on the paint. Okay, so clearly I'm paint on the face. But why is not showing? Okay, clearly at the left, it got a huge paint on the face. But why is not showing up? So clearly, I need to do something more. What about the render mode? What about render mode? Okay, clearly. there's more going on beneath the simple model, so I need to learn more. But hey, I just change the messy here a little bit, or maybe make it even more messy, but it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to actually get hold of this model, and I just want to demonstrate that you can actually edit this. And of course, once you finish editing, and you can export this out. Okay, let me just do that. I'm not too satisfied with it here, so let me just in the sculpt mode just do that just a little bit. Just grab brush, just fine tuning this tiny little bit, because I'm thinking of the hair like this. Okay, let me just grab this out a little bit. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Okay, and once you are finished, and this is very important, once you're finished and you want to use that, you need to export it. Okay, so right now I got like a 5 version of William Jamming, so I got the 6 version. So I'm going to use this file and export, right? You can import a VRM file and you can export it, and you can use VRM or VRM animation. Right now, since the software I'm using only accept VRM, so you can just click VRM and you can export model. Right now, I think I stored it. Where did I store it? Right now, I think the I store the file store directory I store is document. And I got this 5, so I'm going to click it and make it 6. Just make a copy rather than just replace and cover the whole thing. And I'm going to test it out on here. Okay, so I'm going to export VRM. Okay, and just wait. It's just a waiting game. And once you export that, you can actually use this. So as you guys can see, I just changed my haircut. Okay, and I don't know whether let me just adjust a little bit. My mouse is not moving. Sorry about that. And yeah, my mouse is moving. So we have to like turn on the default setting, so we can track my mouse movement. And yeah, that's how you can do the customization. I'm going to research a little bit more and how to combine the Blender as well as a VRM, so I can constantly change costume, the haircut, and all sort of thing. And yeah, that will be all for this video, and I will see you in the next video after doing a little bit of research and just find out how to maybe make my hair move, and yeah, maybe add a hat, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, and see you next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. And if you're rich, do please join the Patreon. Alright, and buy my work from Gumroad. Okay.